Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I want to show you how you can see how much time you spent on Facebook. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're going to be on Facebook, go to the right top corner, and right here you're going to see privacy shortcuts and everything. So you want to scroll down below in the menu, and then you're going to see here your time on Facebook. Now you have options to see your time, manage your time, see time, and then you're gonna see here, so time per day, I got average time this week 20 minutes. You can also turn on the weekly update. Then I'm gonna see on this device how much time I spent on Facebook, and then the number of times you open the Facebook on this device is 101 per week. So this is how you can see how much time you spend on Facebook. Thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.